Hello everybody! So my name is Nikki and I work with the My Nail Makeover team, which I freaking love. What we did is we put together a box and I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys. So a little bit about me is I actually get my nails done. I do have natural nails that I wear a lot too, and the great thing is I can go back and forth from acrylic and natural nails and my nails still stay healthy and strong. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look, it's so cute. Okay, so first off, we've got this little tiny brochure, and it gives you a gift code and a little brochure on all of our different products. If you have any questions, like, you can always just look at this, but we're always available to answer questions as well. All right. Ooh, I feel like it's Christmas time for myself. Oh yes. Look at that. And we're gonna see what kind of goodies the My Nail Makeover team put together for me. I didn't wait very long to get these. Maybe a couple days. Not bad. This bag, super cute, and I can totally repurpose it for some other things. The Dead Sea lotion. Okay. So I'm gonna take out all the products and then we're going to sample them all. Ooh, my favorite part. Looks like we have cuticle oil. It has an antifungal in it. It's got avocado oil, almond oil, grape oil, sesame seed oil, and vitamin E. Whew, so hot in here. Okay, the buffer. Buffer is what I use between getting my nails done. The way the Ultimate Nail Buffer works is you always want to start with the blue pad, because what that does is it resurfaces the nail. Now the gray side, this side actually buffs the nail. Think of it like you're buffing and shining your car. That's what's going to do your nail. The white pad. This is the magic pad. The white pad actually gives your nail a natural shine, like an eye-popping, oh my god, is that polish kind of shine. About 8 seconds with the white pad, bam, nice shiny, no manicure, nothing, you're good to go. The nail files. These files though, start out, we've got our standard size file here, and we've got our small file in these nice little carrying cases. We've got, this one. This one will be your best friend with acrylic nails because it's tough but gentle. It's abrasive, but it's not too abrasive. It's like the perfect nail file for your nails, your acrylic nails. This one here, look at this bad boy. This guy is for your heels. You can't really tell in the video, but on the top part, it's super abrasive. Then if you flip it over, very fine grit. So you use the coarse side, get those out, scrub those heels, baby soft results. And then you use the fine side and it just seals your skin up and locks in that moisture, and you're just guaranteed a nice smooth finish. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Whew. A little warm. Okay, I get excited about every product, so bear with me. Just because these products are so amazing, I just can't help but get excited. This is called a cuticle eraser. You have a part of the cuticle eraser that is pointed and a part that is slanted. Now this is etched glass, so this is never gonna dull, just like the files. Now, this guy here. This is a unique product. It's called the Ergo File. The great thing about this is it's really great if you get that tough skin on the side of your nail there. You can take it and just go right over that skin and it's going to smooth it right out. On these ones too, I want to point out that one edge is a little bit rougher than the other edge. So you do have a couple different grits to work with. So I went through all the files. We got our Ergo File. We've got our pedicure file, great for pets, great for acrylics. Then we've got our spa file, great for your heels, elbows, anywhere you have callous coarse skin, use a spa file. We've got our medium one, our small, and our cuticle eraser. Buffer, great for natural nails. We've got the cuticle oil, which I'm going to just put a little smidge on my cuticle. I like to use the cuticle oil before I go to bed, just because it is really enriched with nutrients, so I let it sit on my cuticles. I never have hangnails. I don't get the cuticle peeling, the cuticle dryness, and it's all because of this liquid bottle gold. The lotion's always the last thing I talk about, and I don't know why, because it's probably the thing I use the most. I do use this after I shower, after I use my spa file. Notice how it's drippy. Okay, it's drippy because it's a water-based lotion. So that means when you put it on, it's not thick, it's not heavy, it's silky smooth, and it dries fast. My name is Nikki. I'm with the My Nail Makeover team, and this was our unboxing. Happy filing!